Hey Explorers, Kid Explorer here, and today I am in Marrakech, Morocco, or I'm just gonna be in Morocco for like a week. But during my time here, I'm gonna share with you what I wore in Morocco. It is September, the temperature is about, it varies obviously, but during the daytime it can reach up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's very important to try to stay covered as much as possible for the culture as well as for the weather. So I'm gonna show you what I wear during the week and if I recommend it or not. So let's get into today's video. And if you're new here, welcome. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into this what I wore in Morocco video. So I just arrived in Morocco. I still need to get things set up because I would like to use my tripod. But this is the first outfit. It's just a yellow dress. As you can see, it is a long yellow dress. And then I have some comfy sandals on. And that's it. Very simple and easy to wear. So tonight we're just going to dinner, so let's get going because we need to be downstairs by 8. So I'm back from wearing my first outfit. See? Yes. We didn't do much. We just had dinner here in the hotel. I may recirculate this outfit because I didn't really sweat in it. So I'm gonna put it in a different bag in my suitcase, but outfit 1 done. And I'll see you for the next outfit here in Morocco. Okay, so it's time for my second outfit here in Marrakech. So first up, you have this hat. This hat is actually from Delta Airlines, but I was like, oh, this would be convenient for this trip because as you can see, it has nice coverage for the sun, a nice brim to go all the way around, protect my face. As you can see, I have this nice shirt. It has some sleeves to it, so I need to just wear sunscreen, which I just put on. Nice and colorful. I meant to bring safety pins, but I hope it doesn't like show too much cleavage because that is just not what we want to do here. But nice and colorful. It's big, so I won't get like this stuck to me. We have a nice long black skirt. Yes, I don't remember where I got the skirt from. I got this shirt from the store Dress Up. It's on the clearance rack because it's like almost fall in Atlanta, but I got this on the clearance rack. I have no idea where I got this skirt from, no idea. And then I have these shoes on. These are Cariuma. I have worn these into the ground. They're my travel shoes. They're very comfortable. And it is a eco-friendly brand. They make shoes out of recyclable materials, and they also plant trees in the rainforest whenever people buy new shoes. Okay, so let's talk about this outfit from day 2. I did not sweat that much because of this material. Like it didn't feel sticky or sweat. And this is also a slightly bigger size than what I would normally wear. So that was very helpful. And the skirt obviously was not sticky because it was nice and out away from my body. But one thing about the skirt, so you see how there are holes in this dress or this skirt. It has like a pattern to it. It's really cute. But the problem is when we were in the souk, in the market, I got attached to one of the other ladies, her purse in the zipper. And in the same instant, it flew back into something that was on the shelf, like at one of the booths in the market, and stuck to that. It was a lot going on. So if you're gonna go to the souk or market, an outfit like this with holes in it is probably not a good idea. But other than that, because it's kind of a tight space, but other than that, I would wear this any other time. So let's check out the next outfit of the day. Okay, let's get into outfit number 3. So here is outfit number 3. I have on this tank top that's black. It is kind of sheer in the back. I do have a scarf to go with it, just in case we go in somewhere and it can be covered. That is yellow. That's a scarf for the whole week. I just bought it yesterday actually. And then I have green pants. They have pockets, but I'm not gonna use them because I have a bag. I have on the same shoes as yesterday. They were very comfortable. I love them. They're Cariuma. I believe I got these pants from Dress Up, and I have had this top a long time, so I don't know what's from. So I'm gonna report back and let you know how this outfit works. Okay, so the first outfit of day 2. What is this, Sunday? So day 2. Was very comfortable, but we also didn't do as much walking or spend as much time outside. But it was very comfortable. It wasn't sticky or anything, so that was a great outfit to wear. Some loose leg pants and a nice top. Now, on the other hand, I did come back and change. Didn't have much time because we went to Nobu, so I wanted to change out the outfit and put on this white dress. So let me show it to you. So here's my white dress. It's lovely, nice and flowy, nice and free. But you do need to wear black. But you do need to wear black underwear underneath it because anything else will show through this dress. Very nice and flowy. And these are shoes I wore with it. Nice sandals. They are Earth Original sandals, and I got these from DSW. And I have this dress as well from Dress Up. Okay, it's time for the next outfit of the day. This is Monday, so day 3. Definitely have more than one outfit on today. Today was like morning, we had a free morning. 2 of the girls on this tour, they went to a pottery class. I decided my optional activity was gonna be to sleep in, which is what I did. So I didn't wake up until 11 a.m. The time here in Morocco. And it was needed because last night we went to Nobu. But anyway, time for this outfit of the day. So, we are just going to lunch, and then after that we're coming back to the Riyadh to get ready and go out to the Sahara Desert. We're gonna have a photo shoot out there and go camel riding. So obviously I want to change for that. But this, I was like, let me just throw on something simple, okay? So this is just a long sleeve pineapple shirt. I actually got this shirt through Stitch Fix. It's like, oh, this is cute. So they sent it to me. It was great. And then for the pants, I have these green pants. It's a nice material, very light material. It has some pockets. So I decided to wear these. It's very comfortable and cozy. And then I'm gonna just throw my sandals on because later I'm gonna have on some enclosed boots. I'm like, I want my feet out a little bit. So I have these sandals on once again for my outfit. So this saves me from putting on a lot of sunscreen right now, actually, because everything pretty much is covered except for my face and my neck area and my hands and my feet. So that makes it great because the sun is really harsh here. So stick with me for the next outfit of the day. All right, really quickly because I gotta go. But we're back and we're getting ready to go on a photo shoot. So here is this outfit for a photo shoot. Got on this pink dress I got from Dress Up, never worn it. I got on some cowboy boots that I got from Amazon. I do have on leggings because we're going on a camel ride. And I got this hat, I actually got this hat from Holiday Inn. All right, be back later. Time for the next outfit of the day. I know the last one was quite rushed, and I just want to let you know that that outfit was wonderful. I'm glad I wore leggings under it, under the pink dress, the last outfit I showed you, because it helped me just get on the camel. I didn't have to change, and I didn't get hot. So that was great to wear, and I have rolled the leggings up so they wouldn't show like during the photo shoot on land, because we still have photos on the camels. Now for the next outfit of the day, we are actually headed to Essaouira from Marrakech. It's 2.5 hours, so I wanted to wear pants and something comfortable. So let me show you my outfit. So first up I have this wonderful light white top. The sleeves are loose. This covers up everything. It is going to be cooler in Essaouira, so I do have a scarf to go over if I get cold. And then the bottoms are these very light yellow pants with a print. Mind you, they are see-through, so you have to wear the appropriate undergarments for this. And then I'm wearing these shoes because one, we are leaving Marrakech today, and these shoes take up quite a bit of space in my luggage, and I'm running low on luggage space. So I wanted to wear these, and they're also comfy to my feet. They are Brooks shoes, so they're great for people who have foot problems. Okay, so as you can see, I did not change my outfit today. I just kept this on. It was great material and light to use during or wear during a road trip from Marrakech to Essaouira. I did end up using the scarf that I bought from the souk in Marrakech because it did get a little cool this evening, so that was helpful to have. But other than that, this was very comfortable to just ride in the car with. So let's get ready for the next outfit that I will wear here in Morocco. Okay, real quick, it's time for this outfit of the day. I'm wearing this red dress. I believe I got this from Dress Up as well. And I am wearing leggings and my carry-on shoes. I am going horseback riding later today, but I don't know if I'll have enough time to go change. So that's what I'm wearing, and it's time to head out. Okay, so I am out of the last outfit with the red dress. It was perfect because I put the leggings on underneath, which I could have had a little bit of time to change into another outfit, but not much. So I'm glad I just wore the leggings underneath that dress and a sports bra to go horseback riding along the beach. So now on to the next outfit. So I am changed my outfit because I went horseback riding. It's dirty, it's nasty, and so I am headed to dinner. So this will be just a quick dinner outfit. I really like this dress. Definitely be wearing this again because I'm only wearing this for dinner. And when I say wearing this again, not here in Morocco, but also very light. It covers my arms. This would be great if the sun was still up, but the sun has went down because, you know, nighttime. But it covers most of my arms. It does show a little bit of cleavage. I wish I would have bought some safety pins because, you know, respectful culture. But it does have a button here to kind of keep things closed up. It's nice and long. And then I got these sandals on once again. So here is this outfit. Now for this outfit, we are driving back to Marrakech today. So I just put this quick little dress on, very comfortable, very relaxing, has pockets in it. So I will be wearing this today. So that's all I had to throw on was this dress. And then I have on these shoes because they are bulky, comfortable but bulky, so I can't just put them in my suitcase. So only a few more outfits left. Okay, it's the last night in Morocco. We're back in Marrakech. The last outfit I wore was very comfortable for a road trip. The tennis shoes are comfortable. I just wish that I had on my sandals because the tennis shoes kind of clash with the bottom of the dress, but the tennis shoes are just too big to put in the suitcase. But here is my outfit for tonight. We're just going to dinner. Just came from the hammam spa, so I had on a robe for that provided by the hotel. But here is my dress. I got this from Dress Up too. If you can't tell, I love Dress Up. Love that store. But has pockets. Ladies love pockets. That's convenient. And it's a wonderful, comfortable dress. I have worn this a few times to brunch in Atlanta and originally in Aruba. And then I also have on my favorite shoes again, the Earth, I can't remember, Earth something sandals. They haven't failed me, they're very comfortable. Okay, so this outfit was great, worked out well, definitely nice to walk around in the streets, and very comfortable, yet nice for dinner. Okay, it's time for my last outfit for the Morocco trip, and it's my airport outfit. I am wearing this shirt. It's about voting, and then just some sweatpants and my Brooks tennis shoes because they're comfortable with compression socks. Compression socks are good for circulation on the plane. So that's what I'm wearing, and it's time to leave Morocco. So if you enjoy seeing the outfits that I wore while I was on this trip, please leave me a like button. Please leave me any questions or comments you have about wearing clothes coming from a woman's perspective while visiting Morocco. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And make sure if you really enjoyed this video, you can leave me a tip by hitting the thanks button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.